Cystitis. This is a very common urinary infection. Sometimes they call it UTI. Urinary infection in the old time very much caused by external reasons. Say if you're swimming or do something in the wrong place, like the hygiene no good, the water no good, then the bugs can get in the body through the urethra and get infection. Or maybe to do with the sexual activities, so they can cause some infections. But nowadays, there are many people, particularly many ladies, they get infections without never been swimming pool, without never having over activities of sex. So what's the problem? Well, in Chinese medicine, I think we have to look at it this way. When people get a urinary infection, it's not necessarily just infection from outside. It's your body, particularly the urine itself, irritated your bladder, irritated your urethra. So the whole bladder or urethra, the membranes becomes inflamed and red. So any little bugs can cause them infected. If your skin is completely normal, no any burn, no anything, you're fine. Even you play in a dirty mud or something, you don't get infected. You clean them very quickly, it's fine. But if your skin, or let's say burn a little bit, your skin getting a bit raw, even you don't play with dirty mud or something, you very easily get them infected because the skin become raw and become inflamed, become vulnerable. And so the same things when we're treating the urinary infection, especially for those people long-term, frequently get infection without any particular reason, which I treat many ladies like that. And we have to say it has to change the quality of the urine. You know, for example, I said to them, maybe it's your urine too acid, or maybe in Chinese medicine it's too hot. So when you have too much acid in your urine, and that result can cause irritation of your bladder or urethra. So why the urine is too acid? Now, that's exactly Chinese medicine goes. It's because your blood, your kidney weakness, your water is weak, so your body is too heated in the system. So therefore, we will do something to reduce the internal heat, particularly the heat in the kidney, so make you eat more cooling food rather than have too much deep fried food or have too much spicy food, we eat more, and then that's about cooling your body down, which means reduce the acidity of the blood. Secondly, the sugar. Sugar is very heated. Sugar is very acid. That's why the sugar can make it into the wine. Basically, wine is acid. And if you reduce sugar, also will help the heat or the acidity in the urine, so that will less irritate. So by doing that, if you make your bladder and urethra less irritated for a long time, and they will heal completely, so therefore this recurrent infection or urinary infection will become less or maybe self-heal. So that's how we treating urinary infection.